In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a signature field in Docusign. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the Home tab, and first, of course, you want to get started over here, and you want to add in your document you would like to sign. So I'm going to use this sample over here. And then, of course, after you add in your recipients over here, their names, their emails, and then, of course, the options and the customizations you can add over here, you have to put in your email subject message as well as your email message. Now, after you've done this, you want to go to the next tab over here, and then you will see this is going to be kind of your editor. Now, what you want to do over here to add a signature field, simply go to a place inside your document where you want your signature field to be, and then here on the standard fields on the left, you want to look for signature. Usually it's going to be the first one up top. Click on that, and of course you can just drag it in like this, and then you can put it wherever you want. It's completely movable on this screen, and then you can of course resize it if you want to, like this, so it can be very small or very big. Now, once you put it somewhere where you like it to be, you can also set the formatting, so we can set the scale, the data label, the tooltip, the location, whatever you want to do. Okay, so after you've done this, you can go ahead and preview and send your document. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.